time, and it's very annoying to the audience and to everyone on the stage.
It would be good to have a camera that moves, that swoops down and in and out. Can we kind of know, if at all possible, what they're going to play? We have to make sure that we're covered. Which guitar?
All be done, Marty, an hour before the show.
I don't know what's going on.
If Mick stands in front of the light for more than 18 seconds, he's going to burn.
You mean like flames?
This is rock and roll.
Okay. Yeah. So don't be nervous about anything.
No.
How much longer do you feel yourself doing this thing, going around being a sort of
I don't know. I never thought I'd be doing it for 2 years even, When we started off, I never thought we'd make it very big anyway.
You got the silver, you got the gold.
Then we have another guest.
Well, I can run and jump and fish, but I won't find. You taste so good. What don't you think they need a woman's touch to make it come alive?
And then we take the tempo is going to go up and up and up and up.